it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and I know that you love off-roading, right? Love that Jeep, love that ATV, love that UTV, but there's one problem, huh? How many times has this happened to you? You're driving along, enjoying the mud, the blood, and the beer, and you all of a sudden, you see an antelope, you see a deer, you see a merman, and then what happens? Bam! Your side mirrors get knocked off of your Jeep. Oh my God, that sucks. That's not going to happen with this. Flick the MobArmor Mag Mirror. Oh yeah, it's dependable. It's gonna take a licking and keep on ticking. Now, I know what you're thinking to yourself, Kyle, I'm not going to take your word for how dependable and durable that mirror is until you tell me how many miles per hour of gale-forced winds that bad boy can withstand. I'll tell you, 200 miles per hour. I'm talking hurricane winds. That's real, bro. It's a mirror, and it sticks in the side of your vehicle, and it's going to blow, and it's going to blow, and it's not going to be able to come off. Ah, yes. That's what I'm talking about, huh? And it's a breakaway mirror, too. Let's say you're driving. Let's say it hits a tree, and the tree goes, ah! Guess what? It's so dependable and durable. That ain't breaking. It ain't breaking. You could take this, and if you were in a horror movie, you could beat a man to death with it, too. I'm just saying, if you wanted to, you could do it right there, okay? Now, I'm talking about this bad boy right here. Pick it up. That MobArmor Mag Mirror. MidwestAftermarket.com. Pick up the phone. Give us a call. Trust me, though. Okay, look at this. You're going to want it. You're going to want it in your life. Believe this guy. He's telling the truth. What's up, sexy? Yeah. We'll see you. Oh, look at that.